insurance is homeowners insurance that covers fire and liability. The mortgage company will always require hazard insurance as one of the conditions of the loan. As a buyer, you'll shop for your policy and decide which company will offer you the best deal. Once decided, you'll email the quote and insurance agent's contact information to your loan officer and settlement agent. The first annual payment is always collected and paid by the settlement agent at closing. Annually thereafter, the payment will be made by the owner directly or by the mortgage company if there is an escrow account. This is a good time to discuss some confusing terminology that is used for the mortgage. Some loan programs require your hazard insurance and property taxes to be included in your mortgage payment. This is called an escrow account or an impound account, which is separate from the escrow or settlement agent who facilitates the real estate transaction. Earthquake insurance is not required but available to you at an additional cost. Also, the policy does not provide coverage for loss caused by flood or mudslide, which is defined in part by the National Flood Insurance Program. The lender will determine if the property is in a flood zone as part of the conditions of the loan approval, and if so, will require a flood insurance policy which can be obtained through your insurance agent, broker, or directly from the National Flood Insurance Program. Flood insurance can be very expensive, so keep this in mind when you start looking at properties in a flood zone. It's important for you to know that the lender requires a special hazard insurance policy called an HO6 when a condo or townhome is purchased. But sometimes the Homeowners Association's master insurance policy will cover the interior as well. It would be up to you to get a copy of the master policy from the HOA and call the broker to determine what is covered and the deductible. If the interior is covered and the deductible is within your tolerance, you would need to provide the information to your loan officer in order to waive the condition for the HO6 interior policy. And that covers hazard insurance.
Thank you for watching, and here's how you can help us. First, share us with your network on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Secondly, tell your family, friends, and coworkers about us. And lastly, we are publicly funded and need your help keeping our videos free by clicking on the support tab today. Don't miss the tips and timing video found only on our website for all the ways that you can save hundreds of dollars when buying a home.